Making $500 a day is not just for influencers, tech genius, or the ultra rich. In 2025, with the right side hustles, it's absolutely possible for regular people like me and you. I'm not talking about the Ponzi schemes or the get quick rich schemes. I'm talking about real proven and scalable side hustles that are paying people every single day. Stick with me to the end, and I will not reveal not just the side hustle, but also the mindset that makes the difference between who tries and fail and who actually hits $500 a day consistently. Number one side hustle, freelancing with AI powered skill. The freelancing economy is booming, but here is the key in 2025. People are not just paying for rounds, they are paying for results. And that's where AI tools come in. Needs a graphic designer who needs hours to create a brand kit can now use AI powered design tools to deliver professional works in half the time. A writer can use AI to draft and refine blog posts faster. What about video editors? Can use automation to cut and caption videos quickly. Here is how to hit $500 a day. Focus on high demand niche. First, you need a niche. That's your area of concentration. For example, content writing, video editing, copywriting, or social media management. There are different platforms where you can enforce this. You can use platforms like Upwork. For example, a content strategist charging $100 per blog post only needs 5 clients. You see, a day to reach $500. With AI tools, that workload is manageable. Number two side also, e-commerce and dropshipping with micro niche product, small niche product. E-commerce have changed dramatically. They sell everything to everyone, serving every specific audience. The internet makes it possible to find small, passionate communities. Look out for trending products on platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Amazon, and AliExpress. Run targeted ads on TikToks, Instagram to drive traffic. Aim for $20 to $40 profit per product. Selling 15 to 25 items daily puts you right at $500 a day. So if you're serious about building side hustle that actually pays, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Don't just watch. Join our growing community of action takers. Number three, digital product and massive knowledge monetization. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you create something once and sell it repeatedly. Digital products like ebook, template, social media planner. Here's how to hit $500 a day. Keep your product price between $20 to $50. You can sell on different platforms, even your own website. Use organic marketing, TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest to drive traffic. Combine, combine multiple products to increase your leverage, so to increase your average skill. If you're selling a $25 digital guide on how and move 20 copies daily, that's $500 already. Once your product is built and your marketing is automated, this becomes semi-massive income. The path to $500 a day, it is not a magic. It is how consistent, focus, and smart systems you build. Remember, the difference between people who succeed and people who fail is not luck, it's action. What's your action level? So here is my challenge. Which of these side hustles do you really most drawn to? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Like this video and share and hit the subscribe button. You don't miss out on the next one. Because the future of money is not just about working hard, it's about working smart.